Hello everyone. I'm come up with a stock. There is a strong fundamental stock that is Zydus Lifesciences Limited, formerly known as the Cadila Healthcare Limited, is an India multinational pharmaceutical company headquartered in Ahmedabad. They are primarily engaged into the manufacturing of generic drugs, but not for the generic drugs. They are more into the development, manufacturing, marketing, and the selling of finished dosage human formulation also. They have a very good value chain of the research also. Actively pharmaceutical ingredients APIs as well as the animal healthcare product and the consumer wellness products, they are coming to their own basket. The company have a global presence and sell their product in the US, India, Europe and the emerging markets, including the countries like Latin America, Asia Pacific regions and the Africa. If we're talking about the good growth potential of the Zydus, then the demonstrated constantly growth in the operations. They are more focused on the product portfolio as well as the initiative of strong research and development capability position in the future growth. Zydus Lifesciences gained on the US FDA notes for the anti-depression drugs. The recent news we can say that it was almost a day before news. They are coming to the expansion modes and the Zydus have a plan to expand presence in the both domestic as well as the international market. They are continue just applying in the venture of complex injection as well as the niche open drugs in the US. They recently launches many multiple drugs in the financial 24. Zydus already launched 32 ANDAs in financial 23 and this expected to launch more 35 ANDAs in financial 24. The companies are expecting to reap the perfect benefits of the strong product launches in the US. They introduced the two new launches at XLR, the Tycocadi XLR and the G-Revlimid XLR, translate along with the volume growth. The robust performance of India and the emerging market will add the boost to the earnings during these particular periods. Company recently acquired 106 crore investment in MyLab Discovery Solutions, which into the development and commercialization diagnostic kits. They are giving a value added to their own portfolios. The domestic market are expecting strong growth as well as the NC, new chemical entities and the biosimilar portfolios of the products which completely belongs to the Zydus Lifesciences. Strong financials. Let's talk about the financials. Then the Zydus has a robust financial positions, a kind of a zero, almost nil debt in the stocks, which is increasing the revenue every single quarter in last 4 quarters. The recent quarters, the last quarter 4, we saw that there is some pressure in the revenue part. But obviously they are more focused on the expansion mode. So the pressure is completely belongs to that particular ratio. But obviously the companies are come up with that particular thoughts and now they are presenting a very excellent pressures. Zydus Life consolidated June's net sales was up around 26.2% year-on-year basis. Quarterly net profit is around 109.7% in June 2022. EBITDA also increased by 71.47%. We are just expecting the revenue CAGR of around 10.1 to 12%. It's quite be a very similar with the range of industry growth CAGR of around 3 to 5 years time frame, and maintaining the revenue and the earning expectation based on the strong product approvals. They are more focused on the India as well as the US for their product expansions. If we're talking about the holding pattern of the company, then the promoter hold around 74.98%. It's almost a debt-free company as I've already told you. The mutual fund have just increased their holdings by 5.59% to 5.80% in June quarter itself. FII also increasing by 3.42% to 4.04%. If we're talking about the industry company growth CAGR, then the last 5-year company growth was around 8%. It's a dividend-oriented company, so the dividend yield was 1.23%. And the companies is more focused on the growth projections of around 11 to 12% year-on-year CAGR basis. So we just improved the target of around 800 plus for the next 1.5 years time frame.